Another very powerful way to get your resumes into the system is by linking your desktop to the Tobu cloud. And how do you do that? It is by using our app called Tobu Drive that is available for download, and it works exactly like Google Drive. So Tobu Drive just links your desktop to the Tobu cloud. So all you need to do is sign in using your Tobu credentials. Once you do that, you choose a folder and you hit upload resumes. So Tobu would look at that folder and the resumes within that folder and their subfolders and their subfolders recursively and so on, and it will identify exactly only resumes and upload them to your Tobu cloud account where they are all searchable. So it's simple now. All you need to do is choose folder, select the folder, simply hit upload resumes, and the upload process starts. And that's it. It starts identifying resumes and starts uploading them to your Tobu account.